Hi, I am so thankful for this teaching, and it's a very emotional topic for me. Yes, the gospel has wrecked me too. I was actually a senior in high school, and I went to a seminar about walking with Christ to the cross. And when I saw what Jesus did for me, I was forever changed, and I apply everything to my life. The cross is if I'm in the dentist chair, if I'm going through the hardest trial ever, if I'm every single day, it is my hope. And I love this teaching because it clarifies what I have been applying to my life since I was a senior in high school. I'm kind of old now, but I appreciate thinking about this all week and thinking about how this is the main thing. Jesus is the main thing. He's the one thing. He's who we need every minute of every day. And I love the song, "Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace." And it's true. I am forever wrecked by the cross and Jesus' love for me. He's the answer to every question I would ever have. Any problem can all be applied to the cross. And I want everyone to know him. I want everyone to know Jesus and the power of his love, that he took our punishment and he took my sin, and God's wrath was poured on him. And so we can be free, so I can be free. Thank you.